Sometimes the tomato plants can get some diseases. So for example, this one here, you see this color here, it's a sign that something is not going on well. So the best idea is to trim these leaves which are off color, and then we let the tomatoes grow and produce good crop. So the main reason for trimming the tomato plants is to avoid disease, to let the plant get enough sunshine, to let the plant get enough air. So this will help the plant to have healthy fruits. So, and there's also another thing about the suckers. You know, these plants usually have suckers growing between the main stem and the branches. So it's a good idea to try and limit the number of suckers growing, you know, on the plant. So today I'm just showing you how I'm going to trim this flower, these tomatoes. And there are many varieties of tomatoes. Some grow like bushy, and some grow like in single branches. So it depends with the type of variety you have. Some varieties might not need pruning, but some varieties need pruning. So you need to check out on suckers. Do you know what? Suckers can even grow into new tomato plants. So you can have a supply of the tomatoes for maybe the whole year if your climate is conducive to that. So let's now get pruning. So I'll just prune the ones I think are not good at all. And I'm trying to collect some suckers which I'm going to try and plant and see if they can grow into new tomato plants. So come with me as we prune. Oh, look at this one. I've just put a trellis on it because it's curly, and also the base leaves need pruning. And we do not have to prune all the leaves because, you know, the plant needs sunlight. So this will be the leaves helping with making the food for the plant. So we just need to prune reasonably and leave some of the upper top leaves in place. Let's look at this one. It's we'll trim this one because of the faded color here. It is touching the ground, so I have to remove it. It's nearly touching the ground, so most of the leaves touching the ground, we remove them. And if they are off color, we again remove them. So I've removed these ones touching the ground, and yes, and this one again is off color, so we remove them. Let's look at this one. So all in all, I have 6 planters with these tomatoes. 6 planters. Here's 6 planters, and this one is flowering, and we have some of the leaves touching the ground. Let's look at this one. We'll do plant by plant. This one here, you see these leaves are more or less touching the ground, so we can trim them. So these ones have been trimmed, and this plant is on a support using this stick, and the flowers are coming out, which is good. And if we see that there are some little suckers, we can just, like this one here, we can just remove with our fingers. And this one, just remove with our fingers. So let's go to the other plant. We are looking at this plant here. It is some, these are suckers. This one. So I'll try to regrow this one, but those look at this, these ones touching the ground, like this one, this one here, we can remove it. So just remove them gently, and all these bottom ones, you just make sure you leave some for the sunshine, for the photosynthesis to take place. But this particular plant has some suckers. We have a little sucker here. You can remove this little sucker, and it's flowering, as you can see. It's flowering. So I think we can remove this bottom one here. We remove this bottom one, this large leaf here, and we have left all these big leaves to produce the food for the plant. And we have some suckers at the bottom here. We can try to grow this one. So I'll try to grow this one. We'll continue to, let's look at this one here. I trimmed it a while ago, so it's doing fine. The flowers are really good, and we're expecting a crop soon. And this one has some suckers, so we can look at the suckers. We can remove these suckers here, this little sucker here. This enables the plant to be, to grow freely, and we don't want it to be bushy. Look at that, it is already having some tomatoes. Look at these tomatoes. It is 1, 2, 3 tomatoes, and we have some suckers here. This sucker here, you can take it off. Just pluck with your fingers this sucker. And let's look at this one here. Wow, it is so nice and green. We are going to prune the bottom leaf. Let's prune the bottom leaf and the suckers as well. Look at that. Look at that. This is really nice. And this one, this pot here, we have some suckers here. Just take them off, and all the leaves are above the ground. Look at that. All the leaves are above the ground. This one seems to have a bit of color, so let me just take it off, because we don't want our fruits to have disease, so we just take it off. So these are of color, take them off. So this is how you go about it. This is how you trim the tomato plants. Look at that, they are already flowering, and we have trimmed again. So please guys, just remember to subscribe to the channel. I'll be thankful for that. And some tomatoes need support, like this one, and this one is really doing well as well. So this is how you can trim the tomato plant. I have some, this one's still very young growing here. Yeah, it's okay. I can trim these bottom leaves because it still have lots of leaves there. So I hope you have enjoyed this video of how to trim tomato plants. Thanks everybody for watching.